which term of the 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27 is 1 by 19,683. 19,683 అనేది ఈ సిరీస్ లో ఎన్నో టర్మ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఫస్ట్ write given series. So what is the given series? 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27, so on. Let us say the series is 1 by last term, so 19,683. So let us say this one is AN. So first A1 equals to 1 by 3, A2 equals to 1 by 9. So let us say this one is AN equals to 1 by 19,683. Okay. So first find common ratio R. R equals to what is the formula? A2 by A1. Here A2 is 1 by 9 over A1 is 1 by 3. So 1 by 9 times 3 by 1. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So 1 by 3. R equals to 1 by 3. Okay. Since AN equals to how much? 1 by 19,683. What is the AN formula? A into R power n minus 1 equals to 1 by 19,683. Okay. So what is the value of A? 1 by 3. R value also 1 by 3. 1 by 3 power n minus 1 equals to 1 by 19,683. Okay. Now see, this is also from A power m into A power n. So A power m plus n. So nothing is mentioned, so power is 1. ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదంటే power 1 అన్నట్టు అర్థం. Okay. So this can be written as 1 by 19,683 can be written as 3 power 9. 3 power 9. So next. So here minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So 1 by 3. 1 by 3 power n equals to. So 1 by 3 power n can be written as 1 by 3 power 9. Okay. So 1 power 9 is 1 only. So observe that A power m equals to A power n. Then n equals to 9. Therefore the value of n is 9. Therefore ninth term of the series is 1 by 19,683.